Imagine a camera that doesn't just record your life, but understands it. For years, the DJI Pocket series has been the ultimate sleeper hit of the tech world. It wasn't a bulky DSLR, and it wasn't a limited smartphone. It was something entirely different, a mechanical eye that lived in your pocket. But in 2026, the stakes have changed. We aren't just looking for a gimbal anymore. We are looking for a cinematic powerhouse. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. It's a reality that is about to disrupt the entire vlogging industry. If you are holding an Osmo Pocket 3, or even a high-end mirrorless camera, you need to pay attention, because the landscape of mobile filmmaking just shifted on its axis. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The buzz in the creator community is at an all-time high. Why? Because DJI is doing something they've never done before, splitting the line. We are looking at a standard model and a long-awaited Pro variant. For months, leaked images from the streets of Shenzhen and retail packaging photos from Germany have painted a picture of a device that isn't just a spec bump, it's a reimagining of the tool. The question on everyone's mind in the USA is simple. Can DJI actually pull this off amidst all the regulatory pressure? The answer lies in the FCC filings. DJI proactively cleared the Pocket 4 through US certifications just weeks before the new legislative deadlines. This camera isn't just coming, it's coming to stay. Let's talk about the lens, the literal soul of the Pocket 4. The standard model is reportedly sticking with the legendary 1-inch CMOS sensor, but it's been refined with a new 50-megapixel architecture. This isn't just about higher resolution, it's about the readout speed. We are looking at 6K video at 60 frames per second for the first time in a device this small. Think about that. You are getting cinema-grade resolution in a chassis that fits inside a pair of jeans. But the real magic is in the Pro version. The whispers suggest a dual-lens system, a wide-angle and a telephoto, brought to life by Hasselblad Color Science. This is the holy grail for creators. Imagine being able to switch from a wide landscape shot to a tight, cinematic portrait with natural bokeh, all without moving an inch. But resolution is nothing without stability. The 3-axis gimbal that made the Pocket series famous has undergone a massive structural overhaul. Leaked schematics show a taller, narrower gimbal arm with reinforced brushless motors. This is designed to handle the micro-jitters that occur during fast-paced walking or running. DJI is calling this Active Track 7.0. It's no longer just following a face, it's predicting movement using on-device AI. If you walk behind a tree or a crowd of people, the AI doesn't lose the lock. It understands the subject's trajectory and picks them up instantly on the other side. For solo creators who don't have a cameraman, this is like having a professional cinematographer in your pocket. The physical design has also seen its first major ergonomics update in years. If you look closely at the leaked packaging, you'll notice 2 new physical buttons near the hinge. This addresses the #1 complaint of the Pocket 3, the reliance on the touchscreen for everything. We now have a dedicated zoom toggle and a customizable C button. Imagine being able to trigger a preset move or a specific color profile with a single thumb press while you're mid-vlog. No more fumbling with menus. The screen